Passive and active expiration. So, yun yung pag-exhale na nagre-require at hindi nagre-require ng energy. So, pag active respiration, yung diaphragm mo is nagko-contract, nag-exert ng effort, yung hingang malalim. Yun yung active expiration. Yung hingang malalim na pagka uminhale ka, yung exhale mo malaki. Pero pag sinabi mo passive expiration, yung hingang natural, yung hindi ka hingang malalim, yung hingang natural lang, hindi nagre-require ng energy. So yung diaphragm mo naka-relax. Remember, yung breathing mo, yung up and down ng lungs, yung up and down breathing mo is done by your diaphragm. No, nagko-contract yung diaphragm mo, pero pag passive expiration, ang diaphragm mo naka-relax according to the article I've read. So, yun. Marami tayong natututunan dyan sa mga ganyan. At kung meron pa tayong physiology vlog, isasama natin. Kasi as PWD officer, dapat close to the doctor eh. Dapat marami tayong alam dyan kasi kumakausap na tayo ng mga doktor. So, dapat I should make an effort myself. At kahit hindi na ako siguro PWD officer, gagawin ko pa rin din, magandang hobby. So, yun lang po.